In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply filters to OBS Studio, and we'll aim to accomplish this in just about 5 minutes. OBS Studio is a powerful tool for video recording and live streaming, and adding filters can greatly enhance the quality of your content. Whether you're looking to improve your image quality or add creative effects, filters are a versatile way to achieve your goals. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to open the OBS Studio app on your computer. If you haven't already downloaded it, make sure to visit the official OBS website to get the latest version. Once you have OBS Studio open, your main screen should display a variety of windows, including your scenes, sources, mixer, and controls. Next, you'll want to locate the filters option. This can be found by first selecting the source to which you want to apply a filter. You'll see the source list in the lower section of OBS. Simply right-click on the source, and a menu will pop up. From this menu, choose Filters. A new window will open up, revealing 2 sections: Audio/Video Filters and Effect Filters. Each serves different purposes, so make sure you know what you're looking to achieve before selecting one. Now, it's time to choose the filter you want to apply. OBS offers a range of filters, from color correction and sharpening to more complex ones like chroma key and noise suppression. Each of these filters serves specific functions, from enhancing color vibrancy to eliminating unwanted background noise. For instance, if you're using a green screen for your streaming, the chroma key filter is essential for keying out your background and replacing it with an image or video of your choice. Once you've selected a filter, it's crucial to adjust its settings to fit your specific needs. Every filter will come with its own set of customizable options. If you selected color correction, for example, you'll have sliders for adjusting brightness, contrast, and saturation. Take your time here. Fine-tuning these settings can make a significant difference. You might need to experiment a bit, adjusting and readjusting as necessary until you find the settings that enhance your stream or recording just the way you like it. And that's it. You've successfully applied a filter to your source in OBS Studio. Remember, the right filter can dramatically improve how your audience perceives your video content. As you get comfortable, you'll also find combinations of filters that work well together, adding depth and polish to your projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope you now feel more confident about using filters in OBS to elevate the quality of your streams. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials and tips on optimizing your creative output. Happy streaming!